everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1951 Chevrolet 3100 pickup truck. Killer truck, guys. This is actually the third time I've owned this truck. I originally bought this truck out of, a gentleman was out of Tennessee. He was a retired GM engineer that actually built this truck. Truck's been together about 10 years. There's only 2,100 miles on it. He didn't put a bunch of miles on it, nor did the two guys that I sold it to. Both have maintained the truck. They're very nice truck. Just a good looking truck. Now this is actually titled as a 51 GMC. So it is titled as a 51 GMC. We have that all the time. They're the same truck, it's just different trim. I apologize, it's starting to spit some weather. We got weather coming. I'm leaving town, so I'm gonna do my best to knock out a couple of these cars and trucks and get them posted before the real kind of snow moves in here. But all steel truck. It's got a Fat Man front suspension. Again, you're just looking, it's just got some little sprinkles on it. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. There's a couple of little touch-up marks, but just a good truck, guys. I remember the day it came in. It came in like a Saturday or Sunday, and I was headed out to, I had to meet the driver here, and I jumped in it and drove it out to a little town called Oxford and bought a little Chevelle from a guy. So I put some miles on it. It's a great truck. Again, all steel. He's got that kind of weathered looking bed. I thought that was pretty cool. And yes, that is a functional cooler. There's a little drain for it and everything. Again, there's a couple little things you can nitpick, but really nice truck, guys. We have a new one of these for this too. I'll make sure the guys get it changed. I love these fat fender trucks, very popular. Now those are actually brand spanking new wheels and tires. Those are just put on the truck. Those are 18-inch American Racing. I think they're called vintage draft wheels. In brand new rubber all the way around it. Truck drives great, air blows cold. It's got the 700R4 overdrive transmission. Yeah, our weather is moving in here. Again, it is a 350 Chevy, nothing crazy. Really just runs out really good. It's got vintage AC. Aluminum radiator, power steering. Yeah, it does have power front disc brakes. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Truck just runs and drives outstanding. So I think that's Virginia safety inspection. That's where actually we just took it back in on trade from a gentleman. Dual chrome mirrors, love that. Does have a custom interior in here. They've upgraded it to the shoulder harness seat belts, bench seat, Banjo wheel. It's got the Dolphin gauge cluster in it. Radio delete. It's got the vintage AC controls in it. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt rear axle. Again, nothing crazy. Just a good truck. Clean underneath. Again, it's got that Fat Man Mustang II front suspension on it. I know I'm rushing, guys. I apologize, but unfortunately, Mother Nature is not going to be kind to us today. It's moving in, and it's just going to get worse all day. Gauges are clean. That's just some receipts, I think, on the resto and stuff. Truck just runs and drives as sweet as can be. Air blows ice cold. This is a really good truck. Everything opens and closes nice. Got that iconic front grille. This wheel, if you just set it up, it will. 2157 on your odometer. You can see it holds good oil pressure. That's your little turn signal lights and stuff. All that stuff works in there. Again, everything opens and closes nice. Good sound. And again, we do have that taillight lens. Good truck. Yeah, no radio delete. It does have a functional cowl out there. The vintage, the air blows cold and everything. Heat and air. Electric wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep in touch with us. Truck really sits good. Gorgeous truck. A lot of traffic.